All right, tube, back at you. So getting ready to clean off the transmission T56. It's starting to get warm out, so start working on the chevelle a little bit in between some other projects. But yeah, you see, we're gonna get some engine cleaner on there. Gonna get it all sprayed down and get some of this scraped off and pressure wash it. Everything seemed to look good, so yeah, we'll get right back to you. Get it all washed down so I can get ready to paint it. I'll get back at you. So we did a quick little spray down just to get some of that loose dirt off. Then I put some of that engine degreaser on there. So we're gonna see what it looks like. I mean, a lot of that gunk and all that stuff came off of it. So now we're just gonna let that sit for a little bit and get ready to spray that down. And gotta get an opportunity to flip it over, get the underside, and then once I figure out the color, I'm gonna get it all mated to the motor one of these days and get that all sprayed down. So, all right, stay tuned, and yeah, we'll bring you back some more of this footage. All right, tube, back at you. So as you can see, she's nice and cleaned up. Quick little spray down. Kind of see all that dirt and grease and grime that was on there. But, you know, it came out pretty good. Pretty good. Bless you. It came out pretty good. So, next, new deal coming out. It's core support. I'm gonna get it all fitted up. And different core support because this is for 70. So it's for a 70 Chevelle. So, as y'all can see, yep, fenders are 70. So I'm swapping out the front end. Swap out the front end for a 70. So that's what we got going. Yeah, I got her sitting up under a tarp right now. I'm probably see about taking the tarp off and making it happen. Yeah, so just stay tuned too. If I can convince my wife to help me take the hood off, I'll go ahead and try to start working on this front end swap today. But yeah, just stay tuned and I'll get back at you. All right, too, we back. As y'all can see, got the front end off. About to get ready to see if I have everything that I need to do the swap. The other thing that I did was I picked up a 70 Monte Carlo bumper. The reason why I got the 70 is because they have the turn signal lights already in there. And I'm gonna turn those into my lights, fog lights. And y'all know I was already doing that with the 72 bumper, but I like the placement of those better. And I always like the 70 front end. And I'm still stick with the 71, 72 rear, like those lights there. So I'm still stick to those. I have mine that I modified on the back of here still. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can have everything to get it swapped, see if I have enough time and enough daylight. And I'll jump back at it. All right, tube, sun is setting. Got to get ready to pack it up, but give you an idea what we got going on. 70 front is coming together. Obviously, I don't have it all lined up, but have the grill, I have the 70 bumper that's gonna go on there with the blinker lights. I'm gonna turn those into fog lights, and I believe they make a set that they'll be fog lights and blinker lights, so there'll be like a light that also have the blinkers attached to it. I'm also gonna shrink the bumper. Obviously, I already shrank the back. Yeah, so just give you an idea. Once I get everything, you know, lined up and everything, I think she'll look good. And yeah, I'm happy with it, man. This is what I wanted. I wanted a 70 front. And then I like the 72 rear. Swing over there. But you know, you got the 72 rear. The bumpers got chopped in half, or not in half, but they got chopped and spliced. So got to just finish up some body work on the panels and everything. Then deleted the blinkers in the back and went with the blinkers on the side. Then I also purchased found the front bumper off the Camaro. So cut that, and then I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'm going to somehow secure it to the back of those. So these have like the little clips and all that stuff in there. Sorry about that. They have the clips and all that in there. So get that all clipped to the back so then it can clip in. Then it's off to just, you know, making sure we finish all the body work up. And get that transmission in. Get the wiring, everything, and we'll be good to go. But yeah, that's 70. 70 front end, 71, 72 rear. So yeah, just stay tuned too. I'll bring some more of that footage.